welcome to my channel. Now we are in New York City and currently I'm with my friend Santosh here. Hey, hi! And my other friend Faizan. Hey guys. So here the suburbs of New York look like. So let's catch up as well in different locations now. So keep following. So here whatever we are seeing right now are the streets and other buildings in New York, and we are just going through the streets and we'll be heading towards our next destination. So now our next location is Brooklyn Bridge and Manhattan Bridge. We'll be heading towards that right now. So keep following my updates and enjoy this video. Hello all, we are near the Brooklyn Bridge and this is New York center here. Hey everybody, we just reached our next destination, that is Empire State Building in New York. Now we are at Empire State Building and this is the one. And also this Empire State Building is in the location called the Korean Town. This Empire State Building is a 102-storied building, which is an Art Deco skyscraper in Midtown Manhattan in New York City. This skyscraper was built in the year 1930 to 1931, and its name is derived from Empire State, the nickname of the state of New York. And look at here what we found, Bajaj scooter. This is something which excited me to look at the scooter on. I felt like driving it, but actually the owner is not near the scooter, so I didn't had a chance to drive it. Currently we are driving on a Brooklyn Bridge, watching the scenery, and look at the other buildings. There you go. That could be a Manhattan downtown or a New York downtown, I think. Let's see what's going to come up next. Look at that graffiti on truck. That's something funny here. Surprise, surprise! Our next destination is Manhattan Bridge. Hey everyone, we are here in Manhattan Bridge. Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? Welcome to Sheetal Vlogs, and here we are near the vessel. And I'm with my friend Santosh here, and here you go. Hey, hi! Hey! And look at this tree. Hello everybody, we are here at the vessel in New York. Just watch it. Hey, how are you doing? Look at this lift. This lift isn't going straight, but it's going like a zigzag, like a slide on the top. Look at this, how different it is, you know? Engineering is so advanced these days. It's just upgrading and upgrading. Look at that, you know? Cool, right? Isn't it? Hello everyone, now we are visiting WTC Memorial, and here it is. I'll be keep showing you the updates. Hey everybody, it's getting dark today here and I'm gonna cover as much as I can, so just try to watch out here. So this is where the World Trade Center used to be, and now there is no more, and as it is very late today, looks like it's closed, and we're gonna cover this part tomorrow morning as well as, and this is one more tower here